ANYCUT, brand new key cutting machine. ANYCUT has a full key database, contains vehicle keys over 7,000 models. Support OTA upgrade. With its 5-in-1 clamp, ANYCUT is sufficient for all kinds of key making needs. Click Quick Copy. ANYCUT can copy an original key within 120 seconds. If you already know the type of your key, click Key Code Processing and you could strictly make a key. All key lost search can make new keys with only a lock at your hand. Missing teeth search. Machine calibration. Its probe detection accuracy is up to 0.00125 mm. High-quality tungsten steel cutter, cutting motor with speed over 12,000 rounds per minute, cutting accuracy up to 0.1 mm. ANYCUT's 7-inch high-definition tablet screen is clear in even strong light environment, supporting 3 levels of angle adjustment. ANYCUT only needs extremely simple operation: quick copy, machine calibration, OTA upgrade. ANYCUT also comes with a 3,900 mAh battery, enabling it to perform 2 hours of consecutive machining. ANYCUT is equipped with an emergency shutdown button. The motor will stop in a blink when you pull up the transparent safety shield. Magnetic storage box. ANYCUT, a new generation professional key cutting machine. Whenever you need a new vehicle key, use ANYCUT.